A friend from Nigeria gave me this instant noodle, Indomie instant noodle chicken flavor. He said that this instant noodle is so tasty, so he want me to taste it. So I have cooked it and tasted it yesterday, and it is as delicious as chicken flavor instant noodle from Malaysia. So let's see how did I prepare this instant noodle yesterday. So we have garlic, we have red eye chili, we have red chili, tomato, onion, carrot, cabbage, squid, tofu and chicken. Alright, let's cook. First of all, we put some oil to fry the garlic, some onion, then the chicken, then some tofu, then we put some water. So this is the instant noodle, just like Malaysian instant noodle. This is the flavor. So we put the flavor first and stir it accordingly. Then we put some vegetables. We start with carrot, red chili, oh yeah, the squid also, the remaining of tofu, then the noodle, then some cabbage and some onion, then tomato, stir it. It's almost done. Alright, it's ready. Lastly, we put it in a bowl and then enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.